The Amazon rainforest, a realm of biodiversity, life pulsates, ancient and ever-changing. Giant otters enjoy a recent catch here. Formidable predators, adapted to aquatic life, their powerful tails and webbed feet ensure agility. A white-fronted marmoset, small and nimble, delicately samples fruit, its eyes ever watchful. A troop of coatis, tails aloft, sniffs the forest floor. These social creatures use long snouts to find insects. Emerging from murky depths, the jaguar. This apex predator is a surprisingly adept swimmer, hunting in these waters. After a swim, it seeks repose on a sun-drenched sandbank, its coat a perfect camouflage. But the river calls again. The jaguar, with immense power, is one of few cats preying on large reptiles. A red howler monkey, it's for a fiery beacon, navigates a fallen log. Its distinctive calls travel miles through the canopy. Beneath the surface, the piranha, often misunderstood, these fish with formidable teeth are primarily vital riverine scavengers. The green anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes, lies in wait. Its eyes and nostrils allow it to remain submerged. Even the mighty anaconda sheds its skin, a vulnerable time, but essential for growth and renewal, ridding itself of parasites. The green and black poison dart frog, its vibrant colors a stark warning. Its skin secretes potent deterrent toxins. The Amazon milk frog, named for its milky, poisonous secretion, its large toe pads allow it to cling effortlessly. A chestnut-eared aracari, a smaller toucan relative, surveys its surroundings with a large, serrated bill. And here, the white-throated toucan, its enormous, colorful bill surprisingly light. It's used for feeding and mating rituals. The forest floor, a tapestry of greens, where sunlight filters through, illuminating a hidden world of constant activity and quiet watchfulness. The brown-throated sloth, master of slow motion, its pace conserves energy, crucial for its low-nutrient leaf diet. A king vulture, regal and distinct among black vultures, it often relies on others to locate carrion, then asserts dominance. A trio of scarlet macaws, their plumage breathtaking. These intelligent birds form strong pair bonds, often for life. The king vulture, with striking colors, plays an essential role as a scavenger, keeping the rainforest clean. A southern screamer, aptly named for loud calls, stands sentinel. It shares its grassy domain with a capybara. The capybara, a semi-aquatic herbivore, grazes peacefully. These gentle giants are highly social, often found in groups near water. Submerged amongst water hyacinths, another capybara finds cool refuge. Its features are high on its head for aquatic vigilance. A rare sight, the melanistic jaguar, or black panther. Its dark coat from excess melanin, iconic rosettes still visible. A family of collared peccaries, with a young piglet, forages. These pig-like mammals are important seed dispersers. High in the canopy, red howler monkeys engage in social grooming. This behavior reinforces troop bonds and maintains hygiene. The dwarf caiman, one of the smallest crocodilians, peers from the water. The southern three-banded armadillo sniffs for insects. When threatened, it rolls into an almost impenetrable ball. Its bony plates a remarkable shield. The northern caiman lizard, its powerful jaws adapted for crushing snails, its primary food. Another glimpse of the dwarf caiman, its ancient lineage in every scale. These reptiles are patient, camouflaged ambush predators. A monk parakeet, or Quaker parrot, displays its green and gray plumage. These are the only parrots building communal stick nests. The green iguana, a large, arboreal lizard, asks. It is primarily herbivorous, feeding on leaves, flowers, and fruit. A baby pygmy marmoset, the world's smallest true monkey. Even as an adult, it will weigh little more than a chocolate bar. The whistling heron, with elegant plumes, stalks through grass. Its diet consists of insects and small vertebrates. A common squirrel monkey, bright eyes and prehensile tail aiding acrobatic foraging for fruit and insects. The white-fronted capuchin, renowned for intelligence and dexterity. These monkeys are known to use tools to access food. A black howler monkey rests high. Its deep, resonant calls are a defining sound, used to mark territory. A black-faced black spider monkey with its young. These monkeys are crucial seed dispersers due to their fruit-rich diet. The Amazon River dolphin, or boto, navigates murky waters. These unique freshwater cetaceans possess remarkable flexibility for hunting. The vast Amazon River, lifeblood of this immense forest, winds through a landscape teeming with unparalleled biodiversity. The golden lion tamarin, its mane a fiery halo, is a small, endangered primate of Brazil's coastal Atlantic forest remnants. The golden-headed lion tamarin, another beautiful primate, uses long fingers to probe for insects and small vertebrates in tree crevices. A large constrictor, likely a python, exhibits the patience for which these ambush predators are known. A pair of black-faced ibis meticulously preen. This social grooming maintains plumage and reinforces pair bonds. The gray-winged trumpeter, a curious, social bird of the forest floor, known for deep, drumming calls. They often follow monkeys. An owl butterfly, its large eye spots on its underwings a clever mimicry to startle or deter predators. A snake, perhaps a mussurana, glides over rocks. These non-venomous colubrids are known for preying on other snakes. The plush-crested jay, an intelligent, social corvid of South America, opportunistic feeders with varied diets and complex vocalizations. The glass-winged butterfly, its wings almost entirely transparent. This remarkable adaptation makes it incredibly difficult for predators to spot. A freshwater turtle basks, absorbing solar energy vital for its metabolism. A green macaw, its powerful beak designed for cracking hard nuts and seeds, a common Amazonian sight. The common marmoset, small and agile, often found in family groups, thriving near humans. This small bog turtle, with distinctive yellow head spots, reminds us of the incredible diversity of chelonians across the Americas. A lone coyote searches for food on the forest floor. Its keen sense of smell guides it to edible treasures. Spider monkeys, with long limbs and prehensile tails, are masters of arboreal locomotion, living almost entirely in the high canopy. A capybara rests on a sandy patch, a tranquil moment for this large, social rodent never far from water. The South American tapir, a shy herbivore, forages through undergrowth. It's the largest native land mammal in South America. A pair of southern screamers stand alert. Despite their goose-like appearance, they are more closely related to ducks and swans. The Brazilian guinea pig, a wild relative of the domesticated pet, nibbles fresh leaves. These small rodents are vital to the food web. A yellow-tufted woodpecker diligently preens. These birds use strong beaks to excavate nests and forage for insects in bark. The toko toucan, largest of all toucans, enjoys a refreshing bath. Water helps keep their plumage pristine, essential for flight. A nutria, or coipu, glides through water. These South American semi-aquatic rodents are well adapted to wetlands. A vibrant green honey creeper and a more subtly hued Sayaka tanager share ripe fruit, a common sight at neotropical feeding stations. The mitered parakeet, its green plumage flecked with red, uses its strong beak to manipulate food and navigate. These are noisy, social birds. A scarlet macaw perches majestically. Its brilliant red, yellow, and blue feathers a vivid splash of color against the Amazon's green. A marsh frog floats patiently. These amphibians are voracious predators of insects and other small invertebrates. The yellow-banded poison dart frog, its striking pattern a clear warning of its toxicity. These tiny amphibians are jewels of the forest. A cattle egret, often near grazing animals, stands alert, its white plumage and buff crest shining. The keel-billed toucan, with its rainbow-colored bill, is an iconic symbol of Central and South American rainforests. A group of black howler monkeys rests. Their loud, guttural calls are a defining sound of these forests. The black howler monkey, its dark fur contrasting with lush foliage, surveys its domain from a high perch, ever watchful. A sloth hangs effortlessly, its strong claws providing a secure grip. This upside-down lifestyle is unique among mammals. The crested caracara, a bird of prey with a distinctive appearance, perches on a dead tree, scanning for carrion or small animals. The scarlet macaw, a magnificent parrot, its vibrant plumage a dazzling display against the verdant canopy of its rainforest home. A family of coatis huddles high in a mango tree, a safe haven for these social and inquisitive mammals. A squirrel monkey, with its characteristic white face mask and dark cap, looks intently. These small, agile primates are highly social. A traditional thatched hut stands amidst rising Amazon waters, a testament to human adaptation in this seasonally flooded landscape. Mist rises from the undulating Amazon canopy, a vast expanse of green, a world of unparalleled natural wonder. A capybara finds relief in a muddy wallow, its head adorned with insects, a common sight in this humid, thriving environment. The mantled howler monkey, its deep, resonating calls echoing through the forest, a daily chorus defining this vibrant ecosystem. The king vulture, with its strikingly bare and colorful head, is a majestic scavenger, soaring high in search of its next meal. A capybara grazes contentedly, a small bird on its back, a classic example of commensalism. One benefits, the other unharmed. The Lear's macaw, a stunningly beautiful and critically endangered parrot, its brilliant blue plumage a rare jewel. A jaguar, camouflaged within dense undergrowth, moves with silent grace, the embodiment of wild power. The jabiru stork, one of the tallest flying birds in the Americas, patiently hunts for fish and amphibians in shallow wetlands. A gentle stream meanders through the rainforest, its banks lined with lush vegetation, a vital water source for myriad creatures. Dense bamboo thickets line the river's edge, creating a unique microhabitat within the broader Amazon. A sloth, its fur damp, climbs with surprising agility through palm fronds, a slow but determined ascent. Its powerful claws, adapted for hanging, provide an unshakable grip as it navigates its arboreal world, a life lived among trees. The Amazon River, a colossal waterway, carves through immense rainforest, supporting an astonishing array of life along its banks. A white-lipped peccary ventures near a small cascade, perhaps to drink or cool off. These robust, social animals roam in herds, shaping the undergrowth. An osprey, a magnificent bird of prey specialized in catching fish, surveys its territory from high.